everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying your life. So guys, as you know, from yesterday we had started our series like 10 days and 10 different topics. So the topic of the day is my daily routine, guys. Why am I choosing these kind of topics, guys? Because this is simple for me to express my thoughts, and you know that I'm on my learning phase. I'm learning how to speak English, how to express my ideas, so that we can learn together, isn't it? We can learn with the process that I have opted for me. In the same manner, you can also opt for yourself, and you can learn it from my journey, from my speaking skills also. If you want to improve your communication, if you want to learn English, if you like, then only please do it, otherwise don't do it at all. So without wasting a further, let's talk about my daily routine, guys. So as you know, there is nothing special in someone's daily routine, guys. Please, let me say this. But why am I sharing my daily routine or my entire day with you? Because I just want to talk about something in English. So I thought this is one particular simple topic on which I can express my ideas or express my views. It's it's pretty simple to me. So without wasting your further, so let's talk about my daily routine, guys. So as you know, my name is Shivani and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan, guys. So about my daily routine, sorry for the mistake actually. You know, guys, let me clarify you one thing. Even if I make mistakes here and there, just keep this in mind that I'm also a learner. So do you, just like you are. So if I make mistakes here and there, just please forgive me, guys, because I'm on my learning phase. So we have right to make mistakes, isn't it? Because mistake makes we are human being, so we can make mistakes, and by practice only we can remove it and we can rectify our mistakes. So usually, guys, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Then I have a glass of warm water, you can say. So that I usually have a glass of water. I usually drink a glass of warm water in the morning itself. It's my, you can say, fixed routine. Even in winters, even in summer, I take one glass of warm water in my morning. The first glass would be warm water one. Second, and after that I freshen up, and after getting freshen up, then I take bath usually, and then I do worship because it's so important for me. By worshipping God, I keep my mind calm and composed, and this is the one particular task in my entire day which gives me a sense of, you can say, satisfaction, a sense of motivation, and I feel completely like peaceful or serene at that particular moment. Literally, guys, trust me. So after worshipping God to God, I usually have my breakfast at around 9 o'clock, 9:30 in the morning. Because right now I'm not working, guys. Earlier I was working, but right now as I'm not working, so I usually have my breakfast at around 9:30. Then I prepare food. I usually prepare my food, so I cut I chop the vegetables accordingly. I cut the vegetables as well, and then I prepare food. I knead the dough, prepare the dough, then so on the process, the kitchen, the whole household chores. You can understand. I don't need to explain. Otherwise, if you want to explain it to me, I'll do that. I don't have any issue. Why am I not telling you that? Because those are not the boring tasks for me, guys. Actually, those are pretty important for me, as we know that being a homemaker, or who there are so many there are so many women also who is working as a homemaker. So these are not the boring tasks, guys. These are very important, very vital tasks in our day-to-day life. So after doing this household chores, guys, I usually sit on my laptop table actually, and I usually do, I generally do my daily tasks, which is like making videos, finding the notes from, you can say, by using ChatGPT, by using Google. So I usually do that, and generally actually I prefer taking the whole making this PPT, and at around you can say 10 o'clock. Earlier I was making PPTs at around 10 o'clock, but nowadays I usually make PPT at 12 o'clock after taking one session. Because let me tell you about this session, guys. So usually this session is for my favorite, or you can say there's one girl actually, yeah, there's one person for whom I am taking spoken English sessions, guys, actually we are learning together. I found out this person on a particular application, and she was on her learning phase, guys, like as I am right now. So she asked me, can you please teach me, can you please guide me how I can improve my communication skills, how can I learn spoken English. So I thought, why can't we learn together? Because for you also it would be pretty easier to learn from someone who can be your friend, who can be your mentor as well. And for me also, I would be learning with someone who is on his, you can say, who is having this desire, this determination, dedication to learn English. That person is not just learning English just to like pretend, oh my god, I'm learning English. She is learning English because she is very passionate about that language. She has a keen interest towards English. That's why literally she fascinated me on the very first call, and I decided that she is the only one, not the only one actually, she is the one who can be my co-learner, and to that person I can take one-on-one session. So I usually provide one-on-one session to her, and the timing for that one-on-one session, guys, is 11 to sometimes it goes up to 12:30, and the timing is actually 1 hour. So I usually take that session after having my breakfast, after doing my household chores. After that session, the usual task that I have already told you, I sit on my laptop table and do my tasks, do my studies as well. And you will ask me like, what you are studying, Shivani? So let me tell you guys, actually I have been thinking to prepare for an exam, and side by side I usually study English because I know speaking is the vital part in spoken English. But along with that, guys, there are many more topics, or there are many more things such as reading, writing, listening, and then speaking. Speaking is the major part, you can say, in spoken English. We all understand, we all accept this. But having said that, guys, there are other also like listening. So for listening part, I usually prefer, you can say, animated stories. Now you will be like, why she watch animated story, why can't she learn from Hollywood movies? Because guys, that's my perception. I'm not saying that you should also follow the same process. No, you can follow your own process, whatever you feel like to do, and whatever you want to learn. Okay, so this is my process. Sometimes I usually watch animated stories, then I listen to English music, and then sometimes I usually watch this series as well, like whenever I get time. Usually nowadays I'm not getting time. It doesn't mean that I'm a busy person. It means that I'm quite busy with my own tasks and all these things, guys. So, and yeah, after this, in the daytime, like right now I've started making face videos. As you all know, I don't know how many of you have seen my face videos or not. Please guys, I'm requesting you, I don't know, like after making face videos also I'm not gaining that kind of subscribers, or you can say that kind of engagement. I thought that maybe I'll get that because, you know guys, I'm a learner. I don't know whether you are a learner or not, but seriously guys, I'm a learner. Don't take me like, don't think that she is a pro one, she is an advanced speaker. No guys, if I would be an advanced speaker, I would be teaching you. But I'm not here to teach you, I'm here to learn with you guys, so that we can be on the same page. Okay, so I usually, after doing this task, like I make face videos in my daytime, like right now I'm making this video. So this is how I spend my afternoon. And then afternoon, after this task, usually in the evening time, I do the same task. I broom the floor, you can say, I sweep the floor, and then wash my face, like having some evening snacks also. Sometime usually at around, you can say, 5:30 in the evening, I have my evening snacks. That can be tea, a cup of tea. Then it can be like some pumpkin, you can savory, and biscuits, and so on. So sometimes, you know guys, I'm a tea lover. So to be honest with you, frankly speaking, I'm a tea lover. So I usually prefer cup of tea in my evening, and after that, I go out and see the other people, like in my area. So I talk to them for like for 15 minutes. You know guys, you can consider me as a talkative person, but not that on that particular level. I usually prefer to talk to people a lot so that I can learn from them and I can side by side express my feelings, my thoughts to them as well. So this is how usually I talk to, like you can say sometimes if I feel like if I feeling boring, so or not boring, if I want to speak to someone in English, then I use particular application. If you want to use those particular application, you can use them. The one is Fluency, as you all know. I don't know how many of you know it or don't know it, but you can use these application like Ace Fluency, and then this Peer Up also. Like recently, for the last two months, I would say, guys, I'm literally using that particular application at hand, and it's not just helped me in improving my you can say speaking English or spoken English. It also helped me to boost to empower my confidence. As you can see, earlier I was actually a bit afraid of talking to strangers, but now I'm pretty confident I can hold a conversation with a stranger one also. So if you will start using that particular application, Peer Up, Ace Fluency, and there are like so many other also, Hello Doc kind of, and Savvy also. If you want to like speak with someone, if you really want to improve your communication skills, your spoken English, then you can use that particular applications. Actually, totally your choice. I'm not forcing you. And like I usually spend around half an hour, like less than an hour, sometimes half an hour on that particular application. I talk to someone, and after that conversation, guys, you can say same in the evening, the same task in the morning, the same task I revise, or you can say I repeat in the evening also. I think that, oh, what can I prepare in my dinner? And now you will be like, why am I the only one who prepared dinner? What about my parents and all? I'll let you know once you will ask me, okay guys? Because I want your engagement, guys. If you really want to know about my background, about my family, about me as well, completely, I'll tell you one by one. I'll literally share my story with you, the way I learned English. No, not completely. Actually, the way I'm speaking right now, why I started and how I have reached to this level. I'll let you know. I'll let you know each and everything in detail, guys. Just do let me know in the comment section if you are enjoying this daily routine. Actually, I'm not telling you the daily routine is the way I should have told you, but to be honest with you guys, this is my work for like I would say second phase video. Actually, it's the where I'm recording, not just recording the session on a particular like grammar topic and some idioms and some, you can say, one vocabulary word. No, I'm talking about like about myself. I'm literally expressing my own ideas, my own perspective, my own opinion. So why would be I not enjoying this process? I'm literally enjoying it so much. I don't know about you guys, if you're also enjoying me, if you're literally enjoying this session, please do let me know in the comment section, guys. I would love to hear your comments. I'd love to see your comments. And trust me, guys, if you will start speaking with me, if you will be start learning with me, then you will see the difference. We will all see the difference at one day. Just trust me, guys. By the 2025 is about to over, and you know guys, tomorrow is something special for me. Do you want to know what is there? Then please do let me know in the comments section. Tomorrow, as we know, it's Christmas also, and in Christmas there's you can say one important and the best day for in my life, you can say in the whole year. It's very special to me. So if you want to do if you want to know why it's special for me, I'll let you know in the comment section, guys. So back to the routine. Actually, after this, you can say I think that what I can prepare in my dinner. So I usually start chopping the vegetables and kneading the dough. Kneading the dough means how to like atta gundna type, okay? And the atta gundna actually. So I start straining the dough and then I'll prepare it. I'll knead the dough, and I knead the dough actually. Then after doing this whole task, after preparing the dinner, we usually have my dinner. I usually have my dinner